Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. Hey guys, we're gonna remove the lean back covers on this factory interior. And again, we don't save them, so we are not sentimental about it. We're gonna cut. Besides, it's a quicker installation this way, or a quicker removal. Now we have our armrest in this side, and it's held by a 10 bolt. And sometimes we have a clip in the other side, so we have to cut the cover. Let me check if it's the clip right there. Yep. Let's see the clip. It should come out. Yeah. No clip, just pressure. And then you have the armrest out. You got a pretzel. Very old pretzel. No, guys, these covers, mostly they're toast. They're no longer flexible, so we have to cut them like this so we can release the covers. And the client say, "Oh, my covers is still good in the back." This is how good they still, so it's all rotten. Okay, guys, you're gonna have a hack rings for the headrest right here too, and two more right here, and a few more in the line. And we fight static with the anti-static spray because we don't want our equipment, electronic equipment, to get damaged. So that's prevented. There you have it, guys. That's the removal of the lean back. Now this is your cushion, and it's mostly clips. Yeah. and hack rings, guys. So we just cut the hack rings and we release the whole cover. So we want to demystify the installation process, make it quicker for you guys. So I don't want to entertain you in the video just cutting hack rings. We just remove those and the cover will be off. I'll continue in the next video for the front, which is not really that different. Every video that we make will follow more or less the same process, slightly different for the installation. But if you have any question, please put it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you with your questions. Like and subscribe, guys. See you in the next video. Okay, guys, I'm gonna demonstrate the removal of the covers in the front. For this particular vehicle, we have the heaters. Heaters for this particular car, the Camry, are attached to the cover. So we have to detach them from the cover and glue them back into the foam so they can be operational in the new covers. So again, we are not sentimental about the covers. We don't want to save them. That's what I mean. Now, because we have the heaters, the cushion element, we need to be able to detach all the wire harness from the frame. So this is the wire harness. All we have to do is pry the clips so we can release them from the assembly. And it's several plugs, it's like 4 of them. Now this little square right here, it has a little plastic uh, safety lock. So we'll remove that safety lock so we can remove the plug from it. It's not difficult, guys. It's basically very straightforward. It's just little tabs that you have to pry down and it releases everything. So that's for our cushion. And there you have it. The same process that you want to do in the lean back is the one in the cushion. So once you peel it off, you're going to find the heater attached to the cover. I'm going to demonstrate here in the back of it so you can see. You have the airbag reinforcement. We just cut them off. Now this is the heater, guys, so we have to be careful when we cut the tabs. It's attached to the cover. And very carefully, because you don't want to cut the wire that connects the section from the bottom to the top. Very carefully, we want to remove the top section so we don't cut the heated element. Very important, do it carefully so you don't cut the heater. And you want to be cutting the tabs. They are attached to the cover. Now, you gotta be careful here, guys, because as you can see, the pull from the cover goes on top of the center part of the heater. You wanna keep this feature when we reload the new cover. So we're gonna proceed to glue this into the foam. And this is Super 77 3M. This is just to hold it in place so it doesn't go anywhere. I prefer this adhesive because it's not interfering heavily with the heated element. It holds it in place clean compared to the yellow adhesive, which is a lot of plastic in it. And there you have it, guys. That was the removal. We just want to get the hack rings from there. Let me do it so you can see. We have two hack rings. One, two. That was it. Same process for the cushion. And that was the removal of the covers. We're going to continue in the next video, guys, with the loading. First, we're going to sort all the covers, load them in place, and then fully trim those covers. If you have a question, please put it in the comments. And visit leathertech.com by EM Upholstery Technology.